About 100 million years ago, plants successfully dominating the Earth, providing opportunity for more lives to thrive. However, the Earth's temperature is now increasing at an alarming rate, mostly due to the human activities. Despite the plant's ability to adapt to extreme environmental conditions, will the greenery survive the current climate change? Climate change can be defined as a long-term change in overall temperature and rapid change in weather patterns. We are now facing detrimental climate change conditions in the past decades. Warmer climate promotes intense precipitation. Imagine the ocean as a pot of boiling water. As the water boils, more water vapor evaporates, hence, more moisture collected under the pot lid, which is the cloud. Stronger wind and heavy downpour will then lead to flash flood. Extreme heat in certain places due to the global warming has caused drought phenomenon to happen more often than before. Rise of sea levels is a also critical issue of the current climate crisis. Sea level is rising at a fast rate where more glaciers and ice in polars are melting rapidly due to the global warming. These issues not only affecting human, it also impacting the floral life. Warmer climate favors reproduction of insect pests and weeds. Global warming has caused rapid growth of weeds and insect pest infestation, especially on commercial plantations. Damages done by these pests cause huge losses for the farmers, hence lowering the country's economic value. Plant disease is especially common in tropical regions. However, flash floods that frequently happened in the past decades causing more plant disease to spread. Root rot is the main problem for farmers that often occurs after floods. Many trees and crops will die if submerged long enough. Climate change has also increased the frequency of forest fire in the last few years. Longer dry season and drier soils worsen the forest fire situation. Slow growing plants will not have the chance to mature, and this will lead to significant reductions of trees on the land. Climate change impacts negatively on the survival of the floral species. Large-scale farmers are more vulnerable to the effects of climate change, and this will eventually lead to more serious problems such as shortage of global food production. Even though people already identified the solutions to fight climate change, without active actions done by the people, this problem will not be cleared up by itself. Therefore, everyone needs to participate in climate change movements to create a better environment for all living things on Earth.